everyone, this is your girl Zara. So happy New Year and happy 2026. So for today, we'll be unboxing the 365 days planner from Limelight. So I started using that Limelight planner since 2019. My first Limelight planner was given by my sister as a gift last Christmas. Then every year, yun naging tradition na Limelight planner yung regalo niya sa akin. So nakailang years na. So, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So, this is the 8th version of planner that I have from Limelight. So, for this year, ang theme nila is countries. So, for this one, dahil gusto ko yung color na green, nataon na yun nga Dubai yung nakalagay sa kanya. So little trivia din, so Dubai was my first country na napuntahan kasi doon nag-work yung parents ko. So for this year, the planner has a box. So yung mga nakaraan kasi more on plastic siya, little covers were, but now hindi naman siya box, pero at least meron siyang hard cover with a stamp on the back. So this one is from Limelight. They usually do some journals or little notebooks. Then yung pinakamaganda sa kanila yung planner talaga nila every year kasi yun yung maraming nasa loob niya. So you're opening it, then it's good thing it's hard bound yung cover niya ngayon. So Dubai is the country. So, may iba silang klase, ibang colors din. So, nataon lang talaga na kulay green is Dubai. So, sakto naman siya sa kasi when you talk about Dubai, this is 2026. When you talk about Dubai, parang naisip mo talaga yung color green agad. So, that's the silhouette of the building. So, hardcover siya with the garter for the lock. So pretty talaga. So cool. So this one is the first page. Then, stamp of Dubai. Then, little calendar for 2026 and a welcome greeting from Limelight family. So, Limelight and journey begins this year. So, this one is for January. So, makikita nyo maraming boxes. Medyo malaki din siya. Then, the little writings are the quotes. And quotes every day. And you see. And next, February is for Singapore. So, every month may ibang countries. So far, napuntahan ko na din yung Singapore. So, Dubai, then Singapore, napuntahan ko na din siya. So, every day may quotes. Then, next one is for March is Japan. So, siguro dahil summer, makikita mo na yung mga dyan, cherry blossom. So, March. Then, next is April, South Korea. So, makikita nyo meron siyang mga postcards sa likod. Then, a little trivia for every country. The next one is May. May is in Vietnam. And so far, more on Asian countries tayo. Then next, for June, is Canada. Medyo napalayo. And June. Then next one is New York agad, July. So from Asian countries to Canada and America. So that's July. Okay, next one is Australia, another continent, for August. Then next one is September is Thailand. Another Asian country na naman. Then September, October is Malaysia. So napunta ko na Dubai, Singapore, and Malaysia. At least napuntahan ko yung borders niya. Nasa Singapore ako. Then UAE. For November. Then, for December is, syempre, Philippines. Syempre, hindi mawawala. So, that's for December hanggang end of 365 days. And another end message for Limelight. So, usually sa likod niya, may little surprise and it's a sticker. You can put it on the journal or the planner. So, this one's food and stamp from a picture of the countries, and you know, you can put little message on these stickers. And usually it's on the back side. Then, yun, there's the magnet. So, usually they have a bookmark magnet. And so, team is still UAE or Dubai. And so, you can stick it sa mga pages. So, hindi siya mawawala. Hindi katulad ng ibang, yung mga dating bookmark na talagang yung mahaba pa na cardboard. So, that's the back, the quarter, the lock. So, yan, lagay natin yung bookmark. Yan, that's magnet. So, hindi agad mawawala siya kasi nakastick lang talaga siya. So, yes, guys, this is the 365 days Dubai planner from Limelight. So, yes, I always recommend Limelight planner kasi maganda talaga siya. Then, yeah, hope you enjoy.